but based on the features, and if this is exactly the specifications, then definitely it's going to cost somewhere around $1,500 to $2,000, maybe even more. Hey, what's up everybody? So Apple is going to launch its first AR and VR headset next year, and I think it's going to be the best VR headset that we have ever seen. And here's why. Well, first of all, I just love the design. You can clearly see that they have taken an inspiration from the design of AirPods Max, and they have relied heavily on rubber actually, because they are using the rubber material as the headband, and along that they have aluminum frame and they have displays inside that frame, and overall it just looks so clean, so thin and light. When it comes to the specs, it's rumored that it's going to feature two processors, probably the M processors from the MacBooks. One is going to be the main one for all of the processing, and the second processor is going to handle all of the sensors. When it comes to sensors, actually, it's featuring 14 cameras. That's really a lot more than Facebook's current headset. And these cameras are going to be responsible for the facial expression tracking as well as your movement tracking. It's said that two cameras are going to be dedicated to track the user's legs, so it can basically detect when the user is walking forward or backward, or like what the user is really doing. This is really cool, by the way. When it comes to the displays, it's said that it's going to feature two micro LED based 4K displays, which is really dope. Like currently the Facebook headset also contains an LCD panel, but they are going to feature micro LED, which means more power efficiency, more depth, and more details to color as well. So I'm hoping that these rumors are actually going to be true, because whoa man, seriously. One other feature that has been rumored by Ming-Chi Kuo and two individuals who apparently helped develop this headset is the iris scanning. So this headset is going to be able to scan the user's eye patterns, and it's going to act exactly like a Touch ID or a Face ID based system. So you can use it to unlock your device, and you can use it to process payments as well. This is something that no other headset is providing or even hinted at providing. So this is really cool. Now, last but not the least, it's said that it's gonna work via its own operating system called Reality OS or ROS, and it's gonna provide an environment where all of the VR-based applications are gonna work. It's said that Apple is already working on a VR-based FaceTime-like application where users are gonna be able to FaceTime each other, but you might see a 3D an emoji character version of yourself, not your actual selves. Now, all of that is super cool, but let's talk about the money. How much is it gonna cost? How much of a big hole is it gonna put in your wallet? Well, Apple definitely hasn't said anything about it, and there are no rumors regarding the price as well, but my guess is $1,500 to $2,000 at least, because we know Apple is already going to put $1,000 above every other headset just because it's Apple. But based on the features, and if this is exactly the specifications, then definitely it's going to cost somewhere around $1,500 to $2,000, maybe even more. Now, one thing that really excites me is how Apple is going to integrate this headset into its whole ecosystem. Will it be connected completely to our iPhone and our iPads and our MacBooks? Like, for example, if we are watching a movie on the MacBook and we just put on the headset, then that movie will start playing in the VR based environment. Like, what's really gonna happen? This is something that really makes me curious as to how Apple is going to play this one out. Oh, and by the way, Apple is not the only one who is working on this AR plus VR kind of thing. Check this video out to see what I'm talking about. Alright, I'll see you next time.